Now we have to see the formation of ionic bond. So how could be the ionic bond will be formed? So when the atoms or elements comes to close each other. So here the formation of cations. So highly reactive metals in the periodic table of the left side, sodium, magnesium and aluminum. Sodium, magnesium and aluminum. So here the sodium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So in the outermost shell of the sodium, is 3s1. The loss of one electron forms a sodium plus. Because of the loss of electrons forms a nearest stable atom like neon. Here sodium losses one electron, Na plus is formed, plus one electron is, and this sodium get stabled. And also magnesium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. So in the outermost shell it having 2 electrons. The loss of 2 electrons forms magnesium stable atom nearest noble gas like neon, Mg plus 2 plus 2 electrons. And also aluminum 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So in the outermost shell 3 electrons. The loss of 3 electrons forms aluminum is very stable, Al plus 3 plus 3 electrons. So this is the formation of cations, sodium plus Mg plus 2, aluminum plus 3. So these loss of electrons forms a very stable atoms nearest to noble gases. Formation of anions. So formation of anions is highly reactive non-metals like phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. So here phosphorus gets 3 electrons and form a very stable atom nearest to the noble gases like argon. So phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. So phosphorus get 3 electrons to its outermost shell. So here P minus 3 is formed. Here sulfur electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So when they get 2 electrons, it forms S minus 2. And chlorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So when get 1 electron, it forms Cl minus. These are the formation of anions. P minus 3, S minus 2, Cl minus. These are the formation of anions. And cation comes to close to each other. There is a formation of ionic bond. So ionic bond is the transfer of one electron to another dissimilar element. Like for example sodium Na plus Cl minus gives rise NaCl. This is the formation of ionic bond. So the ionic bond is formed always in between the 2 dissimilar elements. They form a stabled bond. This type of bond is called as electrovalent bond or electrostatic bond or ionic bond. The sodium chloride structure is a face-centered cubic.